Crunchified Clean friends! Here are some cleaning tips from a professional cleaner on how to clean quickly. You want to start your day cleaning in the morning when you are up and at 'em and you have the most amount of energy. You don't really want to clean too much going into the night because by then you're usually tired and you may not be focused or have the same amount of energy that you would when you first wake up. You want to start cleaning at the furthest part back of the home or the office, especially if you're a professional cleaner. You want to go all the way to the back because the point is you want to clean your way out towards the front of the home or the office. So find whatever rooms are all the way in the back that you're going to do first and get to them first. And use extension cords on your vacuum cleaner so that you don't have to constantly move your cord from one place to another. You get 2 or 3 extension cords and you can vacuum so much space without having to constantly plug and unplug the vacuum cord. I like to always do the bathrooms first because the bathrooms take a lot of energy, a lot of scrubbing, a lot of moving things, a lot of putting things up and down, just a lot of work in bathrooms. So I like to do bathrooms first. Roll up my sleeves and I get all in there and I get the bathroom clean first and vacuum and then mop it. And I like to close the door when I'm done with that room to mentally remind myself that the room is done and to also avoid dust or debris going into the bathroom when I start working on the other rooms or in the hallway. I then try to do the kitchen after I've done the bathroom because the kitchen also takes a lot of energy and work, a lot of scrubbing, a lot of moving plates around, pots, pans, dishes. So then I like to do the kitchen after I've done the bathrooms. If you are on a multi-level home, I like to always start on the top floor first, the highest part of the house or office building first, because I want to work my way down. And it's also a matter of physics too. As I'm working and cleaning and moving, I start getting tired. And walking down steps is a lot easier than having to walk back up and then walk back down if you start from the bottom and then go up. So I want to start from the top and then work my way down to the bottom. After I've done the second or third floor and I'm at the next level and I've done that level, now I'm at the ground level. Again, I go all the way to the back of the building, find bathrooms, do the bathrooms first, find a kitchen, do the kitchen next, and then I finish off with dusting or cleaning any of the bedrooms, office, dining room, den, or hallway. I do those last. Top to bottom, left to right. You want to bring the dust or cobwebs down with your duster, down onto the surfaces or then onto the floor. And then you want to mop or clean or scrub from left to right. And then bring everything down to the bottom. And then you want to finish it off with vacuuming and then mopping. I don't like to sweep. I find that sweeping just kicks up the debris back into the air, so I prefer vacuuming. So then I'll vacuum and then mop. So I finish off with whatever rooms are on that level, den, bedrooms, finish dusting, top, bottom, left to right, vacuum, mopping, and then I work my way out into the foyer or the hallway or towards the front door. And then I finish off the area where I'm going to walk out of. If I'm walking out the front door, I'm going to finish off that area, top to bottom, left to right, vacuum, mop, put things back to where they're supposed to be before I'm done. And then, since I don't use a mop and bucket, because why would I want to walk back on my clean floors and dump out dirty water into a clean sink? I prefer flat mops. I then just put my stuff in the wet bag, in my cleaning bag, open the door, put my stuff outside, finish mopping my way out, and then I'm out the door and I'm out the house and I have left the home nice and crunchified clean in a good amount of time. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube. And my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay crunchified clean. Peace.